Hello and welcome to the SmartResearch-AI channel. I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to see how easy it is to get quick insights from connected papers. So let's start. First, we should connect the papers we've already uploaded using the reference manager. In this case, we're going to select the LLM collection. We wait until the processing's completed. Once connected, you'll see the number of connected papers displayed at the top. Now, let's move on to selecting the appropriate model for our case. We will choose Gemini 2.5 Pro. Let's write this prompt. What are the current research gaps in LLM summarization? Please highlight underexplored areas, limitations in existing studies, and possible future research directions. Also, suggest related subtopics or interdisciplinary connections worth exploring. Now, as we can see, the models start by reasoning to give us the best answer based on the context of the connected papers and our prompt. Here is the response. Also with the reference showing what was used to gather those informations. You can click to view the referenced page. It will navigate to the clicked page. Here it is showed in the File Viewer sidebar. Let's switch to research mode and see what we got. Let's say we want to elaborate further on this section. The investigation system topologies. We write it down in the text field. Now, hit the Send button. The AI start the reasoning process. We'll wait a little and see what we got. We can expand the thinking answer to see how the model is processing our request, like we see in ChatGPT and other models. Great. So as you can see here, the AI is using external documents and give us a very useful answer, like the centralized topology, the methodology, key concepts. Also, we see the research implication and future directions section, which raises important questions. This could inspire a future article. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more ideas coming your way.